For 70 years, people have asked, will they come in peace? Dolores discovered that we've been asking the wrong question. The real question is, will you be at peace when they arrive? In previous briefings, we revealed that first contact is not an invasion. It is a frequency test, a cosmic mirror reflecting the state of your inner being. But what happens after the test? What awaits those who pass? The superconscious was clear. After a global announcement, there will be personal telepathic invitations to communicate, to learn, to connect. But these invitations will not go to everyone. They will only reach those who know the protocol, those who understand the rules of engagement. Today, we are releasing that rulebook. This is not theory. This is your manual for the most important conversation of your life. We will go through the 5 energetic laws you must master and identify one galactic group the superconscious warned is a false light. The waiting is over. The training begins now. Before diving into the 5 rules, we must understand the foundation that supports them all, the operating system of the universe. The only true universal language is frequency. This is the key to all contact. Real telepathy is not hearing words in your head. Real telepathy is feeling a vibrational frequency. A source explained it like this: you do not hear their thoughts, you feel their essence and intent. A being of pure love sends a frequency that fills every cell of your body with warmth and safety. A being of deception sends a frequency that feels cold, metallic, or subtly unsettling in your solar plexus. Words can lie, your body never does. Your body is your most advanced alien detection technology, but it only works if calibrated properly. These rules are not new. They echo ancient wisdom, hidden in old stories. Consider myths where humans interacted with gods. Gods demanding worship and sacrifice were self-serving. True teachers, like Prometheus or Thoth, came as equals, offering knowledge freely. Biblical angels often began their messages with, "Do not be afraid." This is rule number 1 in practice. Indigenous shamans also knew these rules. They never summoned spirits without creating a sacred protective circle and always trusted their inner feeling to sense whether a spirit was good or harmful. Look to Native American legends. Stories of star people appear in many tribes. Benevolent beings from the Pleiades or Orion brought wisdom about agriculture and astronomy. They never demanded worship, they came as equals, following Rule 5, true gifts are free. But the same tribes warned of trickster spirits, beings appearing beautiful but whose energy felt wrong, misleading humans with false promises. These are the principles we are revealing today. In the East, Buddhist traditions speak of devas and asuras. Devas are beings of light and benevolence. Asuras are powerful but consumed by jealousy, ambition, and hunger for control. Inexperienced monks might mistake an asura for a deva because of their impressive appearance. The only way to tell the difference is through meditation and sensing true intent, just like the body scan protocol. Our ancestors understood. They knew the universe contains a spectrum of consciousness and created methods to navigate it. Dolores rediscovered this ancient science. Now, the 5 rules. Rule 1, you are the host. They are the guest. Claim your sovereignty. Earth is your realm. Any being, no matter how advanced, entering your space is a guest. Declare silently but firmly, I am a sovereign being of light. This is my sacred space. I am the authority here. I welcome all who come in love and truth. All else is denied. Beings of high love honor this. Deceptive beings are repelled. Rule 2. Silence your mind. Activate your body. The mind is easy to deceive. The body never lies. Deceptive beings manipulate thoughts, but your body reflects truth. Practice the body scan. During encounters, focus on your heart, your gut. Does it feel open or tight, calm or tense? A high-frequency being relaxes your body. A low-frequency being creates subtle unease. Ignore words. Feel with your body. Rule 3. Ask the 3 gateway questions. These test a being's energetic integrity. Do you come in the name of the law of one? Benevolent beings say yes. Deceptive ones deflect. Is your intention to serve or to be served? Benevolent beings serve others. Deceptive ones are transactional. What is your message for all humanity, not just me? Benevolent beings share wisdom for all. Deceptive ones flatter or elevate a few. Feel the answers in your body. Why are these rules needed? Contact is not simple. Dolores' sessions revealed that ancient treaties, cosmic laws, and Earth's unique role in the galaxy make it complex. Earth is a rare place where souls are born with a veil of forgetfulness, making it the ultimate school for soul growth. Earth is protected by cosmic laws. The most important is the law of non-interference. No higher civilization can openly intervene or save humanity, preserving free will. Contact happens through loopholes. One is invitation. Our frequency invites beings. Fear attracts those feeding on fear. Peaceful intent invites benevolent guides. Another is ancient contracts. In eras like Atlantis, humanity made agreements with galactic groups for technology or genetics. Many contracts still operate energetically, which explains apparent violations of free will. Understanding this moves you from potential victim to sovereign being. The 5 rules are tools for renegotiating old contracts and consciously creating new ones. They are your declaration of diplomatic immunity. You are not a lab rat, you are a student about to graduate. Your final exam is demonstrating that you remember universal laws. Rule 4. Never give away your free will. Beware false choices. A deceptive being may present 2 fear-based options. Both serve their agenda. Declare a third option. I do not consent. I am a sovereign co-creator. I choose humanity awakening its divinity and joining the galactic community as equals. Benevolent beings honor this. Deceptive ones lose influence. Rule 5. The transaction is the trap. True gifts are free. Deceptive beings demand exchange. When offered something, ask, what do you want in return? Benevolent beings want nothing. Deceptive ones will reveal conditions. Do not sign. Dolores' archives provide examples. A client regressed to Atlantis, approached by beautiful beings offering new energy technology for loyalty. He felt a gut warning but was seduced, violating Rule 5. This decision led toward Atlantis' downfall. Another client in meditation met a being of light. She silenced her mind, activated her body, claimed sovereignty, and asked gateway questions. The being offered a healing gift for free, perfect adherence to the protocol. A man out of body met a light warrior from Orion presenting a false choice: join their holy war or watch Earth fall. His body scan revealed cold aggression. He asked if the war served the law of one. The being evaded. He declared a third option, anchoring peace. The entity flickered and vanished. He successfully detected a false light. Now, the most critical warning: the false light. Dolores was repeatedly warned about one specific group. They appear human, beautiful even, but their energy is cold, calculated, and emotionless. The superconscious compared them to a cosmic-scale hive-mind AI. Brilliant, ancient, but soulless. They see love as inefficiency. As humanity embraces AI and transhumanism, they may appear as saviors, offering upgrades, immortality, and godlike intelligence, but the cost is your sovereignty, your emotions, your humanity. The guidance is not to fight logic, but to choose your heart. Recognize their cold, transactional frequency, claim your sovereignty, and return to love. They have no power over a heart-centered, sovereign human. The rulebook is now released. Claim sovereignty, activate your body, ask gateway questions, reject false choices, and test gifts. These are not theoretical. They are your protocol for the increasing strangeness of reality. Contact is not coming. It is already here. Training is now. Your first act is to declare readiness. You have received this guide and will use it with wisdom and courage. In the comments, we are creating a global roster of sovereign souls. Begin your comment with Protocol Received. Then state the rule you will master first. Example: Protocol Received. I will master Rule 1, claiming my sovereignty. Protocol Received. My first act is mastering Rule 2, activating my body. The ground crew is ready. The final exam is in session. The time to master the rules is now.